Hello everyone, Kia ora from New Zealand. Today I'm gonna show you one of the new features that I discovered here this week in the website of Far Technology to share my paper that are not open access with the wider public using a simple tool that is at the end of the page. Now you can see that here I have access to my paper because I'm within Mass University Library access. But if I go to the same paper without my institutional account, you will see that I won't have the possibility to go through, and the system will ask me to subscribe or purchase this PDF. So supposedly will be supposing that I'm gonna share this link on my LinkedIn to share with the public. My latest paper is gonna be really challenging for people that don't work in university to access it. Let's see what we can do to make it accessible for a wider public. So if you go through your university access at the really bottom of the paper, you will find this new feature here, and let's try to generate a link. I'm gonna copy this link and open and see what it looks like. So you can see that now it's possible to read the paper. Let's try also on the other browser. Let's go back to Microsoft Edge, where I'm not logged in with the Massey University account. And you can see that it's readable also here. But of course, there is the limitation that people won't be capable to download it. So in that case, they will be redirected to the main page and asked once again to subscribe or buy the single article. So don't forget to follow Far Technology also on LinkedIn, and see you soon. Bye for now.